Okay guys, there we are, 1 minute 49 seconds in, and we have the part completely cleaned up. This is an AR, excuse me, not an AR part, but an AK part. We're gonna be Cerakoting this. This was prepped using an aluminum oxide abrasive to rip off the original coating so that we can etch the surface properly for the new coating that's going to be applied. But flow-based process, dust-free process, cleans by flow, gets in all of the tight spots, all of the nooks and crannies. Anytime you have corrosion, gets into the corrosion really well. Fantastic process. If you guys need more details, the sales team's always here and happy to help. But this is a fast, easy process, and it will save you money too on consumables. Consumables in a wet cabinet last 8 to 10 times longer. But contact us for more details. Thanks for watching.